The IMF last week just released the real report. China is still one of the engines of the global growth. So what's your assessment of China's economic recovery from the pandemic?
China is recovering strongly, and in our most recent projections for global growth, we have upgraded from 8.1 to 8.4 our forecast for China. This recovery is helping people and business in China, but it also has positive spillover effect for the rest of the world through the channels of trade and on the basis of demand from China for raw materials, for consumer and manufacturing goods. China plays an important role directly economically, but China also plays a role in three other domains. One, the importance of revitalizing trade as an engine for growth. Two, by the attention China pays to the countries that are falling behind in this recovery, and steps China has taken as part of the international community to support developing countries through the debt service suspension initiative, through the common framework for debt resolution, through support it has provided to us at the IMF to provide debt relief and to expand concessional lending. Last but not least, China plays a very important role in the transition to the new climate economy, and China's commitment to net zero emissions by 2060 is part of a very important mobilization of the global community to prevent the world from the catastrophic impacts of climate change.